Welcome to Passion Travel. Join us as we explore fascinating destinations, uncover hidden gems, and embark on unforgettable journeys. Subscribe now and ignite your passion for travel. Burgers, gourmet beef or chicken burgers with various toppings. Burgers, along with the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the patties. 1 pound, 450 g, ground beef, 80% lean. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. 1 teaspoon onion powder, optional. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, optional. For assembling. Burger buns, 4. Cheese slices, optional, e.g., cheddar, American. Lettuce leaves. Tomato slices. Pickles. Onions, sliced, raw or caramelized. Ketchup. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Preparation. Make the patties. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep the patties tender. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties, about 3/4 inch thick. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty to prevent them from puffing up while cooking. Cook the patties. Grilling, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium rare, or until they reach your desired doneness. If adding cheese, place a slice on each patty during the last minute of cooking to let it melt. Pan frying, heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the patties for the same amount of time as grilling, flipping once. Toast the buns, optional. Place the burger buns on the grill or in the skillet for a minute or two until lightly toasted. Assemble the burgers. Spread mayonnaise, ketchup, or mustard on the bottom half of the toasted bun. Place the cooked patty on top, followed by cheese, if using lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onions. Top with the other half of the bun. Serve. Serve immediately with sides like fries or a salad. Enjoy your homemade burgers. Feel free to customize your burgers with additional toppings like avocado, bacon, or different sauces. Chicken Satay Skewers, grilled chicken skewers with peanut sauce. Chicken Satay Skewers, including the ingredients and preparation steps. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade. 1 pound, 450 g, chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon peanut butter, optional. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. For the peanut sauce. 1/2 cup peanut butter. 1/4 cup coconut milk or water. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon lime juice. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 clove garlic, minced. Optional, chili flakes or sriracha for heat. For serving. Skewers, wooden or metal. Fresh cucumber slices. Lime wedges. Preparation. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, peanut butter, brown sugar, vegetable oil, lime juice, minced garlic, cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, up to overnight, for more flavor. Prepare the peanut sauce. In a small bowl, mix together the peanut butter, coconut milk, soy sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, and minced garlic. Stir until smooth. Adjust the consistency with more coconut milk or water as needed. Add chili flakes or sriracha for heat if desired. Set aside. Assemble the skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes to prevent burning. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the skewers. Cook the skewers. Grilling, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Grill the skewers for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and has nice grill marks. Broiling, preheat the broiler and place the skewers on a baking sheet. Broil for 5 to 7 minutes, turning halfway through. Serve. Serve the chicken satay skewers hot with the peanut sauce on the side for dipping. Garnish with cucumber slices and lime wedges. Enjoy your delicious chicken satay skewers. Chocolate fondue, melted chocolate served with fruits and treats for dipping. Chocolate fondue, perfect for dipping fruits, marshmallows, and other treats. Ingredients. Chocolate. 8 ounces, 225 g, semi-sweet or dark chocolate, chopped. Half a cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Dippers. Fresh fruits, e.g., strawberries, bananas, apple slices, pineapple. Marshmallows. Pretzels. Cubes of cake or brownies. Biscotti or cookies. Preparation. Prepare the chocolate. Melt the chocolate. In a heat-proof bowl, combine the chopped chocolate and heavy cream. You can melt it using a double boiler method. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, stirring gently until melted and smooth. Alternatively, you can melt it in the microwave, heat in 20 to 30-second intervals, stirring in between until fully melted. Add vanilla. Once the chocolate is melted, stir in the vanilla extract if using. Transfer to a fondue pot. Pour the melted chocolate into a fondue pot to keep it warm. If you don't have a fondue pot, a heat-proof bowl placed over a warm burner can work. Prepare the dippers. Arrange your choice of dippers on a platter for easy access. Wash and slice fruits as needed. Enjoy. Use skewers or forks to dip the prepared fruits, marshmallows, or other treats into the warm chocolate. Enjoy immediately. Tips. For added flavor, you can mix in a tablespoon of liqueur, like Grand Marnier or Amaretto, or espresso powder. If the chocolate is too thick, you can add a little more cream to reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your chocolate fondue. Poutine, fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. Poutine, a classic Canadian dish consisting of fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. Ingredients. For the fries. 4 large russet potatoes. Vegetable oil, for frying. Salt, to taste. For the gravy. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 cups beef or chicken broth. 1 cup water. Salt and pepper, to taste. Optional, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. For topping. 1 to 2 cups cheese curds, preferably fresh. Preparation. Make the fries. Prepare the potatoes. Peel and cut the potatoes into thick fries. Soak the fries in cold water for at least 30 minutes, or overnight, to remove excess starch. Fry the potatoes. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Drain and pat the fries dry. Fry in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 4 to 6 minutes. Remove and drain on paper towels. Season with salt. Prepare the gravy. Make a roux. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter. Stir in the flour and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until golden, stirring constantly. Add liquid. Gradually whisk in the broth and water, making sure to avoid lumps. Bring to a simmer and cook until the gravy thickens, about 5 to 10 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce if using. Assemble the poutine. Layer the fries. Place a generous portion of fries on a plate or in a shallow bowl. Add cheese curds. Scatter cheese curds over the hot fries. Top with gravy. Pour hot gravy over the fries and cheese curds, allowing the cheese to melt slightly. Serve. Serve immediately while hot, and enjoy your homemade poutine. Tips. For extra flavor, consider adding toppings like sautéed mushrooms, pulled pork, or bacon. If you can't find cheese curds, use a mild cheese like mozzarella, but fresh curds are traditional for poutine. Enjoy your delicious poutine. Kebabs, grilled meat skewers, often served with flatbreads. Kebabs, perfect for grilling or broiling. Ingredients. For the kebabs: 1 pound, 450 g, ground meat, beef, lamb, chicken, or a mix. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. A quarter cup fresh parsley or cilantro, chopped. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon paprika or chili powder, optional. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon olive oil, optional. Skewers, wooden or metal. Preparation. Prepare the meat mixture. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, chopped onion, minced garlic, chopped herbs, cumin, coriander, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix well with your hands or a spoon until all ingredients are evenly incorporated. If using, add olive oil to keep the mixture moist. Shape the kebabs. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for about 30 minutes to prevent burning. Take a handful of the meat mixture and mold it around the skewer, shaping it into a long, flat kebab, about 1 inch thick. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Cook the kebabs. Grilling, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Grill the kebabs for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until fully cooked and browned. Broiling, preheat the broiler. Place the skewers on a baking sheet and broil for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, watching closely to avoid burning. Serve. Serve the kebabs hot with your choice of sides, such as rice, pita bread, or a fresh salad. They can also be topped with yogurt sauce or tzatziki. Tips. Feel free to customize the kebabs by adding spices or adjusting the herbs to your taste. You can also add vegetables, like bell peppers, onions, or cherry tomatoes, to the skewers for extra flavor. Enjoy your delicious kebabs. Vegan Buddha bowls, healthy bowls with grains, veggies, and dressings. Vegan Buddha bowls, packed with nutrients and flavor. Ingredients. Base: 1 cup cooked quinoa, brown rice, or couscous. 2 cups mixed greens, spinach, kale, arugula. Protein: 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Vegetables, choose your favorites. 1 cup roasted sweet potatoes, cubed. 1 cup steamed broccoli. 1/2 cup shredded carrots. 1/2 avocado, sliced. 1/2 cucumber, sliced. 1/2 red bell pepper, sliced. Toppings. A quarter cup hummus or tahini. A quarter cup sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. Fresh herbs, parsley, cilantro, or basil. Lemon wedges. Preparation. Prepare the base. Cook your choice of quinoa, brown rice, or couscous according to package instructions. Roast the chickpeas. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, toss the drained chickpeas with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Spread on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy. Roast sweet potatoes. While the chickpeas are roasting, prepare the sweet potatoes. Toss cubed sweet potatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast for about 25 to 30 minutes until tender. Assemble the Buddha bowls. In a bowl, layer the cooked grain as the base. Add a generous handful of mixed greens. Top with roasted chickpeas, roasted sweet potatoes, steamed broccoli, shredded carrots, avocado, cucumber, and red bell pepper. Add toppings. Drizzle with hummus or tahini, sprinkle with seeds, and garnish with fresh herbs. Serve. Serve with lemon wedges on the side for an extra burst of flavor. Tips. Feel free to customize your bowl with any vegetables, grains, or proteins you like. Add a dressing of your choice for extra flavor, such as a lemon tahini dressing or balsamic vinaigrette. Enjoy your colorful and nutritious vegan Buddha bowl. Gourmet Hot Dogs, specialty hot dogs with unique toppings. Gourmet hot dogs, perfect for elevating your classic barbecue fare. Ingredients. For the hot dogs. For high-quality hot dogs, beef, turkey, or plant-based. For gourmet hot dog buns, brioche or whole grain. Toppings, choose your favorites. Classic toppings. Yellow mustard. Ketchup. Relish. Diced onions. Gourmet toppings. Sautéed onions and peppers. Kimchi. Avocado slices. Fresh jalapenos. Coleslaw. Crispy bacon bits. Cheddar or other specialty cheeses, like goat cheese or feta. Sauces. Spicy mayo, mix mayo with sriracha. Barbecue sauce. Garlic aioli. Honey mustard. Preparation. Cook the hot dogs. Grilling, preheat the grill to medium heat. Grill the hot dogs for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until heated through and lightly charred. Boiling, in a pot, bring water to a boil and add the hot dogs. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until heated through. Pan frying, heat a skillet over medium heat with a little oil and cook the hot dogs for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning until golden brown. Prepare the toppings. Sautéed onions and peppers, in a skillet, heat a little oil over medium heat. Add sliced onions and bell peppers and sauté until soft and caramelized, about 10 minutes. Coleslaw, mix shredded cabbage and carrots with a simple dressing, mayo, vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Toast the buns, optional. Lightly butter the inside of the buns and toast them on the grill or in a skillet until golden. Assemble the hot dogs. Place each hot dog in a toasted bun. Layer your choice of toppings, creatively. Start with sauces, then add toppings like sautéed vegetables, jalapenos, and fresh herbs. Top with any cheese or additional sauces for extra flavor. Serve. Serve immediately with sides like potato chips, fries, or a fresh salad. Tips. Get creative with international flavors. Try topping with sauerkraut and mustard for a German twist, or go with a Mexican flair using guacamole and salsa. Offer a variety of toppings and sauces so guests can customize their hot dogs. Enjoy your gourmet hot dogs.